People are gonna see me and they're gonna be like, Jeannie, why are you so dressed up on a finals day? Like, this is how I've been dressing this entire week. Actually, that's kind of how I've been dressing this entire year. I really technically don't need anything because I'm just going to be taking tests. So I'm bringing my pencil case. So let's just bring my tiny little Kanken bag because we don't need something big and heavy today. What? Oh. Okay, I don't have time for this. Okay, let's go. Right now, I'm back from finals. What time is it? Where's my phone? Right now, it's 11:31. I have orchestra rehearsal back at the school at 1 to 2:45. And after orchestra, my friend and I are going to hang out, celebrate the official start of spring senior season, and yeah.
스프링 시니어란 입시와 중간고사를 다 끝낸 12학년 한국에서 합작 고3이죠. 를 뜻하는 슬랭어입니다. 주로 고등학교 마지막 학년에 2학기를 진입한 학생들을 스프링 시니어라고 부르죠.
I'm gonna kind of make myself look better because I was in such a rush this morning and I kind of look half dead. Like, what is this? Okay, I'm back. Okay. Am I even in the frame right now? 엄마, 나 플로 좀 갖다 주면 안 돼요?
미쳤구나.
내가 다시 가면 너무 오래 걸릴 것 같아.
아 진짜.
Sorry, 엄마. I love you.
Hello, in case you guys missed me, I'm back. Hope you guys have been doing well in Korea. I am currently going back to my house because I'm with Jeannie right now, but we're both really dehydrated, so I figured I would get water and yeah, you guys are just coming along with.
You have to send pictures of the thing you had on hold.
Okay, I will. I will.
Okay, bye Ashley.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
That was me FaceTiming my boyfriend. He lives in Alaska. We do long distance. It's kind of hard and rough, but I love him, so it's worth it. And this is Jeannie. But that you were talking about some cafe, remember?
Do you want to go there?
Yeah.
There's also a different cafe that everyone goes to.
Say something.
I have the toast box.
Oh, let's make sure that we remember where we are. Ooh, they're getting xiao chi. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, nice. Yeah, do you want to split a waffle?
Like, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me right now? Like, I'm like that. Video.
Okay, we really need to come up with our vlogging channel.
Dude, they should totally do that. Huh?
And they should totally come up with a name for us.
Joshly.
Oh.
Ashton. Isn't this technically your dinner? If you're gonna go work.
I eat when I get home.
At 10?
Mm-hmm.
How is that spinning? Oh my god.
Ow. Now they know you're violent.
I can edit.
I was working.
I need to wash this out somewhere.
That's because they're old and used a lot.
Oh, are these falsies?
Mm-hmm.
Like falsies lashes one? I thought they were your real lashes falling off.
We're gonna stop.
Say hi to the vlog, guys. Bye. Bye.
Say it to my my face.
You're beautiful, Ashley, and I love you so much. You're the best friend on earth.
She called me Pabo. That's so insulting. That's so insulting. I'm like traumatized because
바보 means 바닷속의 보물, you know?
no,
Wait,
shut
why are we
up.
going this way? Go back to where we came from.
No, this is the right way.
Yeah, but where we walked up from.
Oh, okay. The old
You know
way.
you could flip this up and look at yourself while you're recording.
Oh.
You're probably too close. You're filming with it.
Yeah.
Can I use the clip?
Yes.
Even if you look like that in it?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, well, now I have to go to work. Oh, wait, I have to,
do this. Okay.
Bye!
Bye!
This is so slow.
Vlog! It's me, Leah. I was supposed to meet up with my friend Claire at this tattoo and piercing place. My hand hurts. His
Like,
bus,
time for this. Oh my gosh, this makes so much sense now.
Leah was supposed to go on a date with her date somewhere in the area,
Yeah.
but her date missed her bus, so she's waiting for him, and while she's waiting, we met up and we're just hanging out in my car.
Wait, your face actually looks so clear in the camera.
It's because it has like a thing where it like
Okay, but
auto fixes your hair or your face.
why not me?
No, it's doing it on you.
No,
It
you can
looks
still
fine.
see my pimple.
It actually doesn't look that prominent in person.
So, I told Jeannie this morning that I'm really proud of her, you know? So I was watching her vlog, or not vlog, the Get Ready With Me for the winter concert, and honestly, guys, she's she's like amazing. I'm so proud of her. Like, I told her that yesterday, and I was like crying because she's like so freaking cute. I'm really glad you guys subscribed to her. She's honestly the greatest person you'll ever meet. Did you just hurt yourself?
I dropped my stuff.
But she's...
Oh, this gives us better lighting.
I'm probably gonna break her GoPro.
That's my dad's GoPro.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a what's in my cake in falafel Raven.
Ah, Claire!
Is that your other friend? They're all here. The vlog's starting.
Nothing.
I'm a great camera dude.
Claire's here too. Let's go.
Here's all three of you, or
Just us two.
just you two?
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. How do you take a picture? Oh my gosh, why am I so scared? Do you need someone to hold your hand? This is so cute. Did it happen? Yeah. Jeannie, you look scared. Do you need someone to hold your hand? Aww. Someone make a meme out of her face right now. You're doing good. And I can't.
My finger's too chubby.
It doesn't come out.
Thank you. I got my ears pierced. Now I'm going to drive over to eat lunch with Claire at Din Tai Fung.
CHUPS 띵동 chips. 너무 빨리 걸으시는 것 같은데.
My legs look so short, look.
얘는 도대체 왜 이러는 걸까요? 밥 먹으러 왔어요. Do you want to get anything else?
Can you call my phone? I don't wanna feel like I did all alone, yeah. Your little light is showing, baby, let it lead to me right back on, yeah. I don't think that this mess we built is too
말도 안 돼.
귀걸이.
This is Stephanie. She goes to uni. She's a good singer.
We can 장담해 on 노래방 today.
Oh yes. 오, 자신 있다는 거죠?
No, but I'll do it anyway.
이거 봐. Hello.
Oh, this is fun.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Hi, Jeannie's vlog. This is me in my work environment at American Eagle Flex. Welcome to American Eagle.
This is Ashley.
Oh hi, I'm Ashley. nice. 이쁜 옷들은 많은데 돈은 없고.
왜 노래가 안 나와?
Okay guys, let's go home.
Complicated to solve. We can find the balance between what we want and just how we might get it all. She ain't the made to order kind. Take her to the